Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you a quick and easy way to make gift boxes using your Cricut or Silhouette. These beautiful gift boxes are easy to make out of cardstock and are perfect for cookies or little gifts. Start out with a full piece of cardstock and stick it down to a green mat. Load in the scoring stylus or the scoring wheel. If you haven't used your scoring stylus yet, you just have to open up clamp A, put the scoring stylus pen in, push down until you hear a click, and then close the clamp again. Run your paper through your Cricut and let it do its magic. I found the template for this box in Design Space, and cutting it out took no time at all. Just roll the mat off the cardstock and pull off any little pieces that are still attached. It's hard to see on camera, but there are little fold lines where all the edges are going to be. Just fold it up and turn it into a box. There you have it, this cute little box is ready to fill with goodies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.